sentence. What is sentence? Here, sentence. Sentence means what? Here, subject plus predicate is equal to sentence. Subject plus predicate. If you use full subject also there and predicate also there is equal to sentence. Subject means what? ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So you use this pencil. The pencil color is black. What is the subject here? Pencil. Pencil is the ನಾವು pencil ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ? So pencil is the subject. And ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? This one is a predicate. Okay children? Here some examples are given. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. For what about we are telling? We are telling about Taj Mahal. Here, Taj Mahal is the subject. Okay children? The Taj Mahal is the subject. ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? Taj Mahal ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So Taj Mahal is the then my mother cooked delicious food. So we are talking about my mother. What my mother is doing? Here is the my mother. Mother is the subject. Main subject is the mother. So we are Mr. Verma stay close to my house. We are talking about Mr. Verma. So it is the subject. The box is broken. We are talking about box. The box is broken. Adu box ಹೊಡೆದೋಗಿದೆ. So box is subject. Then what is the predicate? A predicate is a group of words that tell us more about the subject. It is that part of the sentence that comes after the subject. Here in the sentence below the highlights is the see, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. It is a predicate. Taj Mahal is a subject, but is in Agra is a predicate. My mother cooks delicious food. Cooks delicious food. Work ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, mother is a subject main. Then what she is doing work. So it is a predicate. Here, Mr. Verma stays close to my house. Stays close to my house is a predicate. The box is broken. Is broken is a predicate. Here we will give circle the subject and underline the predicate in the sentence given below. Ravi has a black dog. Which is the we have to for subject we have to circle and predicate we have to underline. Here what is the subject here? ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ರವಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Who is the subject here? Ravi is the subject. So we have circle to Ravi. Then predicate has a black dog. Predicate. Okay children? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? It is the main thing. You have to understand that. The teachers teach me English. English is a subject. Okay children? We have to circle the English and the teachers teaches me. It is a predicate. Then they goes for a vacation to Mussoorie every summer. Mussoorie is the main subject. It is a we are going to Mussoorie. Mussoorie is the same subject and they goes for vacation. It is a predicate. For summer also predicate. The two you only do. Fourth one and fifth one. Okay children, that Mrs. Sharma has hurt her foot. The children are playing hide and seek. Then here come to sixth one. I love reading ghost stories. Ghost story is the main subject. We have to circle to ghost stories. Then I love reading is a predicate, underline. And the 7, 8, 9, 10 you only do. Okay children? Here match the subject with their correct predicate. Here is the subject. For A main is a subject is given. Here is a predicate is given. We have to match correct. Samir is a football champion. Samir is a football champion. India Gate is in Delhi. Trees provide fresh air. Children go to school by bus. Flower bloom in spring. Okay children, now come to sentence. See here, there are four types of sentence. Which are those? Declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Okay children, once again I will read you. See my pronunciation. Declarative, interrogative, then imperative, then exclamatory. Here symbols also there for declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. For symbol also there. If any sentence having this symbol, you can tell easily which sentence is this. See, for declarative we use full stop. It is a full sentence. If you write full sentence, we'll put full stop there. Okay? Now ella ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. So Ravi is coming. ಅವನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It's a full sentence. We'll put a full stop. Then interrogative. Interrogative is a question mark. If you all ask question, you have any pencil? ಅಕರ pencil ನಾವು it's a question. So we put question mark. Then imperative. Imperative also order. Hey, go and sit there. It is a order. Then command. Then request also. Please give me pencil if you have. Please. If you use please, it is also imperative sentence. Or we order to others, it is also imperative. Or command, it is also imperative. For imperative sentence also we use full stop. Okay children? For exclamatory sentence will like this symbol will use. See, parallel lines and full stop. Okay children? It is a surprise. If you go anywhere, your friend is already there. You don't know your friend is there, but you go there. Then, wow, you are here. Like this you tell na, wow, we are here. Like this you surprised. If father will take new thing for you, after he came to home, then you'll see the father, then you'll talk na, my God, you bring to me. It's my lovely thing. Like this you tell na, surprise. Exclamatory. Exclamatory is a surprise. Okay children, there are four types of sentence. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Here some sentence is given. Read the sentence given below and write of what type is in the space provided. Here some sentence is given. You have to write which type of this. Is already symbol also there. Okay? You have to write. This is the homework for you. Okay children? 10 sentences there. You have to write whether it is exclamatory or declarative or interrogative or imperative or exclamatory sentence. Okay children? In the next class I will take on the Monday onwards test is there.